Y'all, these are so good. What's up, y'all? I'm about to take y'all grocery shopping with me. This is my list of groceries. I need to get all this stuff. Yeah, I had to get a lot of stuff. And this time with me, Bookie. I love food. It's gonna be 8. Trust. Food is gonna be 8. Big girl love food. Okay. You feel like my bird? I just got these. Doctors. I need to get some noodles. I like beef. What y'all like? I like beef noodles. Beef, definitely one of my faves. I got some chicken ones at home, so we not getting chicken ones. This ass stink. Yeah, I love these hot sauce right there. That junk so hot. I got some of that at home. We'll just go get us some snacks. Hold on, let me grab a hot dog one right here. Y'all, these beef hot dogs. Oh, that'd be so good. I don't even see these. Oh, yes, yes. They're right here. Bless y'all. Them hot dogs be so good. I need sausage. Beef. Smoked sausage. Why I look like this? I don't want that. I'm gonna get this. This look old. I don't like how this stuff look. Beef smoked sausage. I'm gonna get this. I am very picky. We need some cheese, some shredded cheese, Velveeta original. Yes, for bus. Definitely bus. Juice. Oh my god, y'all. We need so much juice and fruit. We're gonna go over here first. Fruit aisle. We're gonna get this. I'm finna stick the camera back down. Or should I hold it up? Y'all, these are so good. What you gonna say? Hey, you be vibing?
What's up, man? It's your boy Lil King Lou. I just seen her walk by y'all type shit. About networking, man.
Wait, what are we looking for? For a juice, we're gonna get. Should I get some of these? Capri Sun? Or should I get Kool-Aid Germs? I think I'm gonna get these. Yeah, I like Kool-Aid Germs. What if should I get some of these juice? I like this V8 juice right here too, y'all. This is really good. Wait, is it this one or this one? I don't know if it's this one. This. I think it's this one that I like. I'm gonna get the tropical blend one. I'm trying to see if there's any more snacks on this. Oh wait, let me check my list. Let me check my list, y'all. I got fudge right. Okay, we need to go get hot puffs and hot fries. Well, I might need to get the small one. I need to get this big box of Slim Jim. Who that calling me? But I love these right here. We're gonna get us some of those. And I'm gonna get some Greeks crackers. These. Let me get these. Get ready. What a little small waters at, but a big case of them. I don't see that. I don't see the small waters. Y'all, I love ginger ale. I like ginger. I'm gonna get Coke and ginger ale. Some sour cream, cause I'm gonna make me some tacos. I love sour cream, y'all. Like, real bad. This right here. But it was a different kind that they used to have that was good. You not in my video, but why you looking like that? Bye. Y'all, that man look like he wanted to slap me. I'm dead. Oh, I wanted to get some cookies too. Y'all, this is so good right here. This is really good. Ooh, why do I never got the small box in these? Like, I need to get waffles too. The big box. Okay, we got Cindy Fresh Guy. I need to get some cotton candy. We got pasta, waffle, croissant, bacon, sausage, baked chicken. I mean, baked cookies. I'm about baked chicken. So far. I need to go get some broccoli. Wait, what is Peggy? Where is she not Peggy? Now they got all this stuff in the cases. Goodbye. Who really trying to steal stuff like this? Come on now, Walmart. We gotta do better. These smell good. Okay, y'all, I ended up getting Hawaiian Breeze. And I got this new game plug-in to see if I like it. And I'm finna stop vlogging. I'm gonna get back on when I get in the car. But yeah, y'all, this is pretty much everything that I just got. And when I get back in the car, I'm gonna get back on. Yeah, I'm irritated because I'm just thinking about all this stuff I gotta say in the house. But I just got done. Now I'm finna put all this stuff in the car. So I just packed up all the stuff and now I'm leaving Walmart. And I'm just thinking about how much stuff that I didn't get that I needed. And I'm pissed. So yeah, I just brought everything up and now I'm about to unload everything and put it in my refrigerator. I don't play, baby. Who you know? Okay, y'all. I decided I'm gonna let y'all see me put up my groceries. So, no, I'm not really the stuff that's in my refrigerator because that stuff is just there and it's gonna get thrown out. It's been here for too long. A lot of this stuff finna go in the trash. They could stay. These, I don't know. Let me check the date on these because these been here for a little minute now. Oh, old. Let me see if this one old. This one say November, but November's about to be over, so we're gonna throw that one out as well. Let me see this one. This one say January, so we're gonna keep that one. The butter is no butter in here. I just bought those eggs in this lemonade. Yeah, I need to get some of those organizer things, like, y'all know, the little organizers. I need to get some of those. I'm gonna put all these generations in there. Maybe I need to stop putting all this juice in there all the time. What's up? I don't know, I be thirsty. I really drink water more than I drink juice now, so these juices probably won't even get drunk up. I don't know. For real? 3 of them, yeah. $80. So she did, I think she did 200 for all 3. They artificial snow, but it really just looks It look like what?
Okay, y'all got yeah, like I wanted to like high street spread pizza, and then perfect down. I don't think I need that. Duct tape. No, not duct tape. Rick.
Sausage, hot dogs. Bacon, cookies. Go grocery shopping and get a whole bunch of juice.
Girl, we do that shit too. Huh?
Oh, that's for the clouds?
Yeah.
Yeah, it should be.